lost and alone. I see the memories of Sifu I used to know. He taught me everything, showed me the way, but now he's gone and I left astray. I miss Sifu, his wisdom and grace. His teachings live on, but I can't replace the bond we shared, the lesson learned. I'll always yearn for the day he'll return. I train every day, trying to fill the void. No one can match the skill he deployed. His techniques were flawless, his presence divine. Now I'm left wondering, was it all by design? I miss Sifu, his wisdom and grace. His teachings live on, but I can't replace the bond we shared, the lesson learned. I always yearn for the day he'll return. I bow my head in honor, remembering his name. I carry the legacy through the past, but it's not the same. I bow down inside, I long for his guidance. I miss Sifu and his brilliance. I miss my Sifu, the wisdom and grace. His teachings live on, but I can't replace the bond we shared, the lesson learned. I always yearn for Sifu, the day he'll return. I keep training, striving for the best I can be. My heart will always miss Sifu eternally. Sifu G.